This is your tax dollars, San Antonio. They will leave the blood over there, but they will wash away sidewalk chalk during level 3 drought restrictions. The city will pay $200,000 for rainbow crosswalks. Then they will send the city out here to pressure wash rainbow sidewalks. City of San Antonio pays millions of dollars to address graffiti. Instead of getting actual graffiti, instead of cleaning actual waste, they wash away sidewalk chalk during level 3 drought restrictions. Meanwhile, while they are washing away sidewalk chalk, there is blood, dried blood. There is filth all over this area. This is your tax dollars. Level 3 drought restrictions. La Jolla is one of the dirtiest streets. There is grime all over the street over there. City of San Antonio pays $1.6 million to erase graffiti. Centro also pays over $1 million to erase graffiti. There is graffiti all over downtown. There is blood and feces all over downtown, but they wash away sidewalk chalk. People eat in this area and they leave filth on the ground. They don't mind health hazards being out here to get you sick where you eat. They concentrate on sidewalk chalk. The filth is still here. If you notice, he's not actually cleaning the filth. That's your tax dollars, San Antonio.